Starting around 20 August 2023, HEX for the most part is exchanging at $0.006 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.3% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, which truly is very critical. HEX has a really all-out market cap of $981,221,892, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $943,517, which most certainly is very critical. This generally makes HEX beautiful positioning at 206 in the digital money market, which especially is very huge. In the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what most certainly is the HEX cost forecast finish of 2023, what will HEX sort of be genuinely worth in 2023 in a huge manner? Is HEX a very wise speculation, or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023 in an exceptionally large manner? Will HEX cost really outperform its unequaled high, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking? These especially are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. HEX value expectation 2023. As per the HEX gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the HEX cost explicitly is supposed to sort of cross a sort of normal value level of $0.007, the normal certainly least value worth of HEX, toward the finish of the really current year, ought to generally be $0.007, showing how in the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the HEX cost forecast finish of 2023, what will HEX essentially be fundamentally worth in 2023? Or so they for the most part thought. Besides, HEX can for the most part arrive at a truly greatest value level of $0.007, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. HEX value figure August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of HEX generally is certainly anticipated to arrive at an especially normal cost of $0.006. While the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.006 and an essentially least of $0.005 in a really significant manner. HEX value figure September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of HEX most certainly is fundamentally anticipated to arrive at an especially normal cost of $0.006, while the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of $0.006 and an essentially least of $0.006, which is very critical. HEX value expectation October 2023. The cost for HEX in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.006 and $0.007. Genuinely further appearance how these generally are our HEX cost forecasts for HEX's future in an unpretentious manner. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to be around $0.006, showing how starting around 20 August 2023, HEX is exchanging at $0.006 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.3% in certainly most recent 1 hour, in a kind of enormous manner. HEX value estimate November 2023, the in every way that really matters, normal cost of HEX could generally go to $0.007 toward the finish of November 2023. So HEX value expectation October 2023. The cost for HEX in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.006 and $0.007 in every practical sense. Further appearance how these for the most part are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. HEX could in every practical sense be exchanging around an exceptionally greatest worth of $0.007, with the really least expected cost of $0.006, showing that HEX fundamentally has a genuinely all-out market cap of $981,221,892, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $943,517, which generally is genuinely critical. HEX value figure December 2023. The HEX cost for December 2023 may explicitly arrive at a truly least worth of $0.007, while the sort of greatest determined cost basically is around $0.007, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. The very normal cost for HEX certainly is explicitly anticipated to generally reach $0.007 in December 2023. Exceptionally further appearance how HEX Hex, value conjecture August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of hex by and large is for the most part anticipated to really arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of $0.006, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $0.006 and an in every way that really matters, least of $0.005, which especially is very huge. Hex fundamentally passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been generally diminished by 4.89% in its exceptionally current worth in a significant manner. In the event that we in every practical sense look at the kind of current market cap of the hex with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap most certainly is likewise down in a kind of large manner. Hex sort of is confronting a very tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins, so Hex in every way that really matters, past value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto especially, has been most certainly diminished by 4.89% in its fundamentally current worth, which explicitly is very critical. The Hex truly is down to nearly 39.39% in the sort of most recent 7 days, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The coin truly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for genuinely past truly couple of days. The coin could for the most part have in every practical sense solid essentials at the same time. We don't explicitly feel that it would a beneficial resource and especially transient in a quite huge manner. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Hex generally diminished by 92.698%, taking out an incredible by and large normal amount of $0.072 from its certainly current worth, which certainly is genuinely critical. This unexpected down really implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be an excellent buy and large purchase and open door for kind of speedy interest amazingly. The 90 days cost change fundamentally is near 77.60%, and the cost for the most part flowed from a very least buy and large normal cost of $0.024 to really greatest pretty normal cost of $0.027 in the in every practical sense recent days, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Hex basically is somewhere near 69.20%. With the truly greatest certainly normal cost of the coin certainly was around $0.023 and the sort of least sort of typical cost of especially was around $0.021 in beyond 4 months, which sort of shows that Hex genuinely passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto in every practical sense has been truly diminished by 4.89% in its ongoing worth, which generally is genuinely critical. Hex value figure 2023 facts. What will truly be Hex truly worth in 2023? Or so they for the most part thought. The Hex cost basically is gauged to arrive at a